Welcome to the Keymaster Locksmith, and thank you for visiting my auction. If you've recently had to change your multi-locking system on your UPVC double glazing door and have had issues trying to find the correct door handles, I may have a solution for you. These handles are heavy duty, they're fully adjustable and should fit any UK door. They are probably the cheapest that you'll find on eBay. Again, fully adjustable. As you can hear, they're heavy duty. They're not made of plastic. And fully adjustable. Log on to stores at eBay and search the Keymaster Locksmith to get your set of door handles today.